I'm Alex, just another face in the crowd of newcomers to the Lone Star State. I never thought I'd end up here, but, well, life has a way of surprising you. Back in my old city, I felt like I was drowning in debt, in noise, in the endless rat race. Every month, more than half my paycheck went to rent for a shoebox apartment. I'd scroll through social media, seeing friends buying houses, starting families, and I felt stuck. Then one day, I saw a post about Texas. Wide open spaces, booming job market, affordable living. It was like a lifeline thrown into my sea of despair. I grabbed it. The move wasn't easy, leaving everything behind. It's like jumping off a cliff and hoping you'll fly, but sometimes you have to take that leap. At first, Texas felt alien, the sprawling highways, the intense heat, the sheer size of everything. But then, something started to change. I noticed the little things. The way the sun painted the sky at dusk. The friendly nods from strangers on the street. The fact that I could afford to live in a place with actual space. Room to breathe, to grow. And I wasn't alone. Everywhere I looked, I saw others like me. Transplants from California, New York, Illinois. We were all here for different reasons, but we shared a common thread, a desire for something more. Some came for the jobs in tech, healthcare, or energy, others for the lower taxes and cost of living, and yeah, there were challenges, the culture shock, the politics, the occasional longing for home, but there was also an energy here, a sense of optimism and growth that was infectious. I met people starting businesses, buying their first homes, pursuing dreams they'd put on hold for years. One evening I found myself on a hill overlooking Austin. The city lights were just starting to twinkle. The vastness of the Texas sky stretched above me, a canvas of possibilities. And in that moment, I felt it. A sense of belonging I'd never experienced before. It was as if the city and the landscape were welcoming me, inviting me to be part of their story. It wasn't just about cheaper rent or better job prospects, it was about possibility. The possibility of building a life on my own terms, of being part of something growing, evolving. That's why we're here. That's why so many of us are making Texas our home. It's not just about finding a place to live. It's about creating a community, building connections, and shaping our future together. It's not perfect, no place is. But it's a canvas, vast and open, waiting for us to paint our futures. Sure, there are growing pains. Infrastructure struggling to keep up, housing markets getting competitive, but there's also innovation. New communities being built, sustainable solutions being implemented. It's like we're all part of this grand experiment. Can we build a better future here? Only time will tell. But standing here, feeling the warm Texas breeze on my face, watching new skylines rise against ancient landscapes, I can't help but feel that I'm exactly where I'm supposed to be. This is more than just a new home. It's the start of a new chapter, full of promise and potential. Contact Home Rock Realty today for more information about relocating to Texas.